thunderstorm warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wyomissing to near Church County near Scottsville to near Wakefield, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Reading, West Chester, Yorktown, South Sharon, Stoneville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Coatesville, Penhouse, Westtown, Wyomissing, Quitchelltown, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, Downingtown, Southern, Bedminster, and Kennett Square. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 332. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 52. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 329. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 61 and 63. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. Foliage protection moved to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition, damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lighting is occurring with some of these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can be a thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, Lehigh, and Montgomery.